Everybody ready for Valentine's Day? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we got a review on the Nike Dunk Low Valentine's Day. Yes, sir. It's an early review. It shock dropped on the Nike Sneakers app last week. I've been supposed to get this review to you guys, but the Cowboys lost. Aww. I still been dealing with that. Plus, when I took them out the package and I looked at them, I wasn't sure how I really felt about these sneakers. Just like the Jackie Robinson Nike Dunk Low, I'm trying to understand why they're just a regular Nike Dunk Low and not an SB. I mean, both have a theme, both are dope, both have similar A1 quality. I just don't understand how it's not an SB and it's just a regular Dunk Low. But with that being said, I like the sneaker. It doesn't look as much Valentine's Day as the one we got last year. That one looked more Valentine's Day. This is more classic Valentine's Day. You got your pink hues, your burgundy hues, your cream hues. It should have had some red, but you can tell that as a Valentine's Day sneaker theme. Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So like I said, these shock dropped last week. Retail was $120. I think it was like $135 with shipping to New York. Not bad, but Nike Dunk Low, they're starting to take a little bit out of the SB in my opinion. And we've been talking too much. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So, again, you get your light red, dark orange Nike box. This is the box you get when it's just a Nike Dunk Low and it really doesn't have like a theme to it, even though this one has a theme to it. That's why I'm shocked, but you get your regular box. No hearts, no Valentine's Day, no Cupid box. The code reads Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM, Pale, Ivory, Medium Soft Pink. When you flip open the box, you get your OG Nike Dunk Low tissue paper. No card, nothing Valentine's Day, none of that. And this is a 360 view of the left shoe. The Nike Dunk Low Valentine's Day 2023s. Now let's start with the toe box. All burgundy, guys. Mostly the theme of the sneaker is burgundy. You don't think of burgundy when you think of Valentine's Day, but all burgundy. Look at the toe box. I mean, we've seen better leather, but this is PRM leather, premium leather. I like it. Very soft to touch. Very soft. Like a Valentine's Day chocolate, if you would. Very soft. But it's the leather around it that gives you that PRM look. The sneaker kind of looks similar to the Jordan 1 Armand Menyes, even down to the cracked leather. As you see the white, it's not cracked leather like that, but you can see the tumbleness in this leather around the toes. And that goes all the way up here. Look at more of the cracked leather on the white part of the leather. A lot of tumbleness, guys. This swoosh, in my opinion, saves the day. The pink hue swoosh saves the day, really giving it that Valentine's Day look. Without this pink swoosh, you would think this is an Armand Menyes Nike Dunk Low. And that pink even has the tumbleness all the way to the back where you get that Nike logo. This time the Nike logo's in white with the pink under it, really giving you that Valentine's Day look. Creep back into that white, you see the tumbleness on that white. The bottom has more of a vintage look. at the bottom. They also look like the Arizona State Nike Dunk Lows too. If it wasn't for this pink swoosh, man. But you get like an OG look at the bottom of the Nike Dunk Low, and then the burgundy creeps back in on the bottom. The bottom of the shoe is all burgundy. Again, pink creeps in on the tongue. There go your tongue there, has a pink and white tag, giving you that Valentine's Day look. The inside burgundy also with a pink Nike swoosh. This is the right shoe here. Nothing's changed. No Valentine's Day tags or nothing. I didn't show y'all on the left side, but you got your same mesh tongue. The tongue is also burgundy also, and it comes in burgundy shoelaces. It do not come with extra shoelaces. And for $130, I kind of don't blame them, even though the Jackie Robs came with multiple shoelaces. But yeah, nothing's changed on the right to the left. Everything adds up. Everything's the same. Yes, sir. So let me know if y'all was able to catch the shock drop. It was super dope. It was like a scratch and sniff joint, and after you scratched it, the claw came and picked the Valentine's Day sneaker up. Very creative. I remember when Sneakers at first started giving stuff like that. It was dope. Like I told you, I'm bringing the on-foot segment back. Today on feet, I have on the off-white Nike Prestos, not the 10, the ones that came after that. Shout out to Virgil Abloh, RIP. I try to say that every time I mention off-white. In the comment section below, let me know what you got on feet when you catch this video. I don't care if it's next year, tomorrow, tonight. Let me know what you got on feet when you catch this video. Again, I got on the Presto joints, one of the softest, comfortable sneakers Nike has ever made. One of my favorite sneakers in my collection overall. But yeah, the Nike Dunk Low Valentine's Day joints, I think they come out next week. Making this an early review. $130 price tag. Not too bad for this sneaker, man. But I think Nike Dunk Lows are shooting themselves in the foot. And they're trying to do themes and things they should leave for SB. Overall, nice shoe. Good material. The white leather is A1, guys. Let me know if you was able to catch the shock drop. Let me know how y'all feel about these. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.